In the last video series, we created a platformer using Construct's How to Make a Platformer tutorial series, along with using the assets provided by Kenney. And this time, we're going to use a different set of assets from Kenney, but also a template that Kenney has provided in those asset packs. So we're going to go ahead and open a new tab, and I'm going to go to Kenney. And in his assets, he has this pixel platformer series where he's got an industrial expansion, a farm expansion, as well as the original. So we're going to be using these assets for this next series, along with the template that comes with it. So here is the original, the pixel platformer. So I'm going to go ahead and download the 3 different assets to use. So the pixel platformer. If you want to, you can go ahead and preview. You got the grassy, some desert dirt and snow tiles in the original. This one has coins to collect, a few different enemies, maybe a key to unlock a door, diamonds to collect. So I'm going to go ahead and download this asset pack. And then I'm going to go back to platformers. And then I'm going to download these other 2 assets. So I'm going to go ahead and download that one as well. This one here has more of an industrial feel, maybe some sewage. These enemy bats are in that pixel platformer, the original series. The characters are in that pixel platformer. And let's grab that last one, the farm pack. So you got little pumpkins and hay bales and things like that in this set here. So I'm going to go ahead and download that one as well. So make sure that you have all 3 of those downloaded, and we want to make sure that we're making sure that these are extracted so that we can have access to this Construct 3 folder, which has the template that we're going to use. So I'll go ahead and go to menu. I'm going to go to project. I'm going to close this project out, and I'm going to open this file that I have downloaded. Now, each of the different files has that template. So it doesn't matter which one you go to, it'll have that template, but I'm going to go to the original one, the pixel platformer, and inside the Construct 3 folder is our pixel platformer tutorial. It's always a good idea to play test to see what's available for you. In this one here, your player can move and jump. He's provided a little bit of a double jump. You can collect the coins. You can stomp on the enemies. You have a trampoline. Allows for a little bit of boost. But just has an overview of the different tiles that are available for you and what can be used in this asset pack. So on the events, we're given 14 events. So if you're using the free version, you've got up to 25 events, which means we have 11 events left to make a pretty good game. And so we're going to expand on this. So with this being the overview, is that we want to make sure that we've downloaded those assets, we've opened the template, and then you want to make sure that you are saving to Cloud Save and saving this to either a Google Drive, a Dropbox, or OneDrive, so that you have access to it anywhere that you want to go ahead and do that. So that's the setup for this first video. Looking over the assets, playing with the template, saving the file to a cloud save, and then preparing yourself to get a second level or layout built. Is that we're in the next video, we're going to cover how do we actually change this game that Kenney has created for us into a level, and then how do we make a level 2 and 3 based on those 2 other asset packs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.